Unfortunately, our forecast that we've been talking about all week long is coming to fruition. We've got a ton of rain out there this morning, so already starting out on a soggy note. We had the heavier band move through last night, dropping already nearly 6/10 of an inch of rain in a few spots, but watch what happens. A little bit of a break and then more heavy rainfall just to the west of 127, and all that is sliding east and northeast, so get ready for another round of heavy rainfall as we approach 7 o'clock along Interstate 75. A little sooner than that already now in Ithaca, St. Louis, Alma, over to Mount Pleasant. I got rid of the clouds and we're just looking at the rain now with NBC 25 Triple Doppler, and there was the first band of heavier rains. It's a little lighter now along 75, but there's that heavier stuff, and this doesn't only extend back to Owasso or to Lansing. It goes all the way back to Kalamazoo and Benton Harbor, and this is all sliding north and east. So we've got a long period of some light to moderate rain. It's good and bad news. Good news because we're actually in a slight drought. Bad news, of course, we don't want it on a holiday, but at least with the rain, we're accompanied with the warmth. Look at this incredible temperature change from yesterday morning, 25 to 30 degrees warmer at this same time than we were yesterday at about 6:15. How about that? 30 degrees warmer in Flint and 25 in Saginaw. It's now 63 around Flint in Mount Morris. Corunna at 61, 59 in Bridgeport, Essexville at 57. Are you kidding me? Remember yesterday morning? It was 24 degrees in a few of these spots and nowhere near that now. So while it's raining, at least we're not looking at 24, because if we were at 24, this rain would be several inches of snow, maybe up to a foot of snow if it was snow, but it's not, so we're not going to talk about it. Anyway, warm weather is in store for us not only this morning, but throughout the afternoon as well. And here's the initial push of moisture. So this is this morning's rain. What we'll see, though, is a little bit of a lighter rain threat coming up for us by late morning and into the early afternoon. But watch what happens over Kansas and Missouri. That's the next wave of moisture that'll move in later today. That wave of moisture is going to continue to bring us another threat for showers and thunderstorms, and we also have to watch for the potential for a damaging wind threat with a few of those storms. So let's look specifically at trick-or-treating tonight, hour by hour. Here we are this morning, 8 o'clock. Yeah, we know it's raining out there. It's going to rain for several more hours. This is because of the warm front that continues to move through, bringing these 50s and 60s to us this morning. Here's 6 o'clock tonight. You're out trick-or-treating, starting to see more heavy rainfall in the western part of the mitten, sliding to 75. Watch what happens by 8 o'clock. We're completely covered in moderate to heavy rain, and at times one or two of these thunderstorms could be strong to severe as the cold front continues to press to the east. Then as this area of low pressure moves through tonight, we'll lose the severe weather threat, but we start to see the winds howling out there. We could see gusts over 40 miles per hour at times going into the overnight tonight and tomorrow. Now here's the latest threat from the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma for at least Halloween night tonight, for that potential to see an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm. The greatest threat right now appearing to be on Interstate 69 and to the south. More updates, of course, from Chief Meteorologist Ty Shesky tonight at 6 and 11. And that's not all we're talking about. We've got some cold weather moving in for the weekend, but I'm out of breath, so we're going to worry about that as we go to tomorrow after we get through this Halloween rainy stuff, right? Well,